Repasito for 10-1 and 10-5. Buena práctica para la prueba. Good practice for the quiz. Affirmative and negative words and stem changers. Students, make sure to study your notes on affirmative and negative words and stem changers and attempt the repasito before moving on to the answers. Here is the repasito, which is formatted just like the quiz. At this time, please press pause and try and fill in the answers as best you can. Número 1. ¿Haces la tarea? Do you do the homework? Sí, yo hago algo de la tarea. ¿Y tú? Yes, I do something of the homework, and you? Here we know the answer is affirmative since there is no in the sentence. Also, de la tarea indicates that you would use the word algo or something. Número 2. Sí, yo hago la tarea también. Note, there are no negatives with the word no, which means by the process of elimination, neither and never are not answers. Also is what's left over. También, accent over the E. Número 3. ¿Tienes algunas grapadoras en la clase? Meaning, do you have some staplers in the class? Never is not used since the question is not negative, and also is not used as well. Número 4. No tengo ninguna grapadora en la clase. I don't have any stapler in the class. The statement is negative with the no, so we use not any. We don't use neither since we're not repeating a statement back to someone or saying something that we also did not do. Número 5. ¿Conoce a alguien en la clase de geometría? Do you know someone in geometry class? No one and none are not possibilities since this sentence is affirmative. Note, the word no is not in the sentence. Also, another hint might be conocer, which means to know, followed by the letter A, the personal a, which refers to people. In this case, someone, alguien. Número 6, number 6, no, I don't know anyone. No conozco a nadie. Here we use the negative since the word no is in the sentence. Also, once again, notice conozco followed by the letter A, the personal a, indicating person, the personal a. No one, nadie. Número 7. The question is, ¿haces unas preguntas a veces? Do you do some questions sometimes? The answer is sí, siempre hago una pregunta. Yes, I always answer a question. Note the key word a veces, sometimes, therefore asking how often. The sentence is affirmative, so that crosses out either. Since we're asking for a certain how often, we use the word always, siempre, and not someone since we're not asking about a person. And now for the second half, stem changers. Choose the correct verb and then write the correct form. Número 1. Yo siempre preferir o dormir sacar una buena nota. I prefer or I sleep to get a good grade. The answer is going to be preferir in the yo form, which is prefiero. Número 2. Si no entiendes algo, pides ayuda. If you don't understand something, you ask or you think for help. In this context, use pedir for asking for help, and the to form is pides. How do you know it's the to form? Note, entiendes is also in the to form. You understand. Número 3. Mi amigo trabajar ir a clase conmigo or querer ir a clase conmigo. My friend works to go to class with me or wants to go to class with me. In this context, querer is the better word to use. The he/she form is quiere, stem changed. Número 4. Los estudiantes tener o repetir vocabulario mucho en clase. The students have or repeat vocab a lot in class. In this context, we use repetir. The eos form is repiten. Stem change the second E to I. Número 5. Yo no poder o pedir hacer la tarea. I cannot or ask for to do the homework. The answer that makes more sense is poder. I can't do the homework. Yo puedo. But since I'm giving you guys all these hints, you can do the homework. You can do it! For número 6, dormir or almorzar too mucho por la noche. Do you sleep or do you eat lunch a lot at night? Por la noche, at night. Well, most people don't eat lunch at night, but they do sleep. So dormir is the logical choice. The to form is duermes. Stem change O to UE. Número 7. Juan pide ayuda porque no entender o preferir. Juan asks for help because he doesn't understand or prefer. In this case, you ask for help if you don't understand. So the correct verb is entender. Conjugated, stem change E to IE. Entiende is the answer. Número 8. Juan almorzar servir en el restaurante de McDonald's. Juan eats lunch or serves in McDonald's restaurant. The answer that's more logical here is almorzar. Eats lunch in the restaurant. Stem change O to UE, and it is almuerza. Last one, número 9. Ellos servir jugar a voleibol todos los días. They serve or play volleyball every day. The answer is jugar, because playing a sport. The ellos form of jugar is juegan. Stem change U to UE. This concludes the repasito for 10-1 and 10-5. Buena suerte. Good luck on the quiz.